Welcome back to Coin Explorer, the channel where we uncover the hidden value and powerful history behind coins from around the world. And today's coin is something truly special because it represents freedom, leadership, and a turning point in history. We are talking about the iconic 5 Rand coin featuring Nelson Mandela from South Africa, a coin that is not just currency, but a symbol of unity and change. In this video, you will learn about its design, material, minting year, rarity, and real market value. Many people think this coin is common, but some versions can be highly collectible depending on condition and mint quality. So if you are a coin lover or just curious about rare coins, then stay till the end, because we will reveal everything you need to know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face for more amazing coin discoveries. This coin you are seeing is the famous South African 5 Rand coin, which features the portrait of Nelson Mandela, one of the most respected leaders in world history. The design of this coin is very detailed and meaningful because Mandela's face is shown smiling, which represents hope and freedom after years of struggle. On the front side, you can clearly see the number 5, indicating its denomination, while the outer ring has a beautiful pattern that gives the coin a modern and secure look. This coin is part of a bimetallic design, which means it is made from 2 different metals. The center is usually made of brass, while the outer ring is made of nickel-plated metal, giving it a two-tone appearance that makes it visually attractive. The quality of minting is very high, which is why even circulated coins still look sharp and detailed. This coin was introduced after South Africa transitioned into a democratic nation, which makes it historically important. Collectors value it not just for its material, but for what it represents. The size and weight of the coin also make it unique compared to older coins, and its strong design ensures durability over time. The historical importance of this coin is directly connected to Nelson Mandela and the transformation of South Africa after the end of apartheid. Mandela became a global symbol of peace and equality, and this coin honors his legacy. Coins like this are often released to celebrate important national figures and events, and in this case, it represents unity and progress. Many collectors around the world look for such coins because they are not only currency, but also historical artifacts. The year of issue plays a big role in determining value because earlier releases or special editions can be more valuable. Some coins may also have mint marks or slight variations that increase their rarity. For example, proof coins or limited edition releases are usually more expensive. Even though millions of these coins were produced, not all of them are in perfect condition, which makes high-grade coins more desirable. Collectors often grade coins based on their condition, ranging from circulated to uncirculated or mint state. The better the condition, the higher the value, and coins with no scratches or damage can be sold for a premium price in the market. When it comes to the real value of this 5 Rand coin, it is important to understand that most common circulated coins are usually worth their face value or slightly higher. However, if you have a coin that is in uncirculated condition or a special edition version, its value can increase significantly. Some collectors are willing to pay higher prices for coins that are rare or have historical importance. Online marketplaces and coin auctions are the best places to check current prices. Sometimes, coins with errors such as misprints or unusual features can become very valuable. So it is always a good idea to carefully examine your coins. Cleaning a coin is not recommended because it can reduce its value. Instead, keeping it in its original condition is the best way to preserve its worth. Coin collecting is not just a hobby, but also an investment for many people. And coins like this one can become more valuable over time as demand increases, especially coins linked to famous personalities like Nelson Mandela tend to remain popular among collectors worldwide. In conclusion, this South African 5 Rand coin is much more than just a piece of currency. It is a symbol of history, leadership, and change. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced numismatist, this coin is definitely worth having in your collection. Always check the condition, year, and any special features to determine its true value. And remember that even simple coins can hold hidden treasures. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face because we bring you the most exciting and valuable coin stories from around the world. And who knows, the next coin we explore might be sitting in your pocket right now. 100 points.